Oh. Coming through. Can you check this, miss? Huh? My phone! Meh. It's not a big deal. I'll go for that one. Okay. You're doing great. There's a whole lot of junk in that trunk. Hey, careful! Luckily, I plan ahead. I just need some springs and a clear phone case. Next, I'll apply glue to the end of the springs. And then I'll stick them to the phone case. It'll stop any nasty accidents. I'm so smart. Except when it comes to schoolwork. Almost there. Ugh, made it. Hey, do you mind? What is that thing? It's my computer. I don't have a laptop. You carry that around all day? Yep. At least it gives me a workout. Wait. Something's wrong. Come on, work! I think there's something stuck in the keyboard. Hold on. Ah, it's last night's dinner. Oh my gosh, that is so gross. Cool, a free snack. I'll collect the crumbs. Then shape them into a cookie. This must be my lucky day. This looks tasty. And it smells amazing. It did look good. I wonder if there's anything else in here. There's only one way to find out. Can't eat that. Ew, bugs. How did they get in there? Ugh! That is disgusting! Ew! Ew! Ah! Help me! Sup, Julie? What's the big idea? I've been in there for days! Shh! Get out of here. She's so cute. Bye. That's so basic, Miles. Wait until you see my keyboard. You're gonna be amazed. There we go. I'll just press this and a stand pops up. Now I can rest my phone on it. Let's switch it on. It projects a keyboard onto the desk. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie. And my phone acts as the screen. I love technology. And I love the finer things in life. Yeah. I'm happy with my old keyboard. It never lets me down. Oh, come on. Not again. This is getting annoying. Take that! That might have been too hard. What have you done? Now what am I gonna do? Oh wow. Look at Claire's keyboard. That is so cool. She's so lucky. That gives me an idea. This will totally work. First I'll put glue onto the keys. That should be enough. Then I'll stick it to the desk. I'll do the same with the other keys. This is looking good. It's perfect. Let's try it out. Wow, it's awesome. What is he doing? He's so weird. I'm out of here. She's just jealous. I suppose I better go too. I'll just pack up my things. Ugh, I wish I'd thought this through. This will never fit in my bag. It's time for the competition! We're totally gonna win. Come on, let's go! This is so humiliating. Ah! Hey, I'm here to win. We'll see about that. Do your thing, darling. Here it is. I don't see anything. This is disappointing. Hey, get over here! Do I have to? Hello? What's going on? Move it or I'm telling Daddy! Just a moment. Hey! I need to find a new job. Sorry about that. Here it is. Ooh, very nice. I like what I see. Give them a spin. Do I have to? Spin around. Ooh, look at that. It's so convenient. And extremely spacious. Oh my, show me more. It'd be my pleasure. There's a handy zipped compartment. What am I looking at? It's perfect for my books. They fit right in there. Bravo! It's perfect. It can carry so much. Please stop. Check it out. I think that's enough. Stop, please. I know what I'm doing. No more. Can't forget about my pens. Oh, ma'am. That's not good. It's so practical. Okay, stand up. Show them your moves. Oh yeah. Shake it. Stop! My eyes! I like it! I want one. You can borrow mine. What's that noise? Oh! Hide my shame! I'll never get rid of that image. Nice underwear. I think we've seen enough. It's time to vote. Well done. It's the best we've seen. Are you serious? That? Really? What? I liked it. Fine. Get off the stage. Move along! Go! This is so unfair! This is all your fault! Come on, let's go. Call me. Okay, who's next? Oh, it's my turn. Here goes. Hey, I'm Miles. Where's your backpack? Oh, right. Hold on. Ta-da! What do you think? Wait, it's just a box. We got rid of the butler for this. Give me a minute. Almost ready. Hold on. Phew, this is hard work. He's incredible. Okay, I'm ready. Check it out. Whoa. I just need to add some color. This blue will look great. Just a little more. Ooh. I hope they like it. I'm done with this. Here you go. Pretty neat, huh? Whoa! Outstanding! I mean it! It's beautiful. Young man, you are an artist. Oh yeah. I'm getting emotional. Okay. It's time to vote. This should be an easy decision. You're our winner. Congratulations! What? For real? Wow! Wait, we've got a test? I didn't study. This is gonna be bad. Okay, you can begin. And no cheating. What's the point? I'm just gonna fail. There must be something I can do. What's Miles doing? This isn't going well. Wait! I have an idea! These rulers will help me pass. I'll flip them over, then I can put my notes on them. I'll put my notes face down. And apply double-sided tape to them. Now I can stick them to the rulers. Just like this. I'll fold the rulers over and the notes are hidden. No one will ever know. I should get an A for cheating. I wish I had thought of this earlier. I just need to copy the answers. Cheating? Really? Teacher? Hey! Miles is cheating! What? Huh? I'll be finished soon. Uh-oh. I better act natural. What's going on, Miles? Are you cheating? What is that? A ruler. Why? Okay. I'll let you finish. That was close. I better be quick. Well, if Miles is cheating, I can too. I'll just take a picture of his answers. Hey, stop it! Stop moving! Ugh, you're so annoying. Okay, let's have a look. I can't see anything! This won't do. There's only one thing for it. I need your help. And now, I wait. Now's my chance! What? What's going on? Ha! That actually worked! Are you forgetting something? Thanks. I love this gadget. I'll send the answers to it, and it'll print them out. It's so useful. Now I can have all the answers. I'll definitely pass now. Wait. How did she do that? All I have is 2 rulers. Who cares? There's an adhesive backing to the printout. I'll peel it off. Then stick the answers directly onto the test. I don't need to write anything. It's so easy. Wow. What else can I print? This is amazing! I feel so alive! What are you doing? I can explain. I like photography. Wait. Is that me? I really captured your good side. Anyway, I finished the exam. Let me see that. Claire. Can I keep this? My mom would like it. Wow! Sure. It's yours. It's very flattering. Thanks. Draw draw a perfect circle, just follow my instructions. It's one fluid motion. Who wants to give it a try? Anyone? That looks too difficult for me. Claire, how about you? Oh, Butler. Yes, ma'am. Escort me to the board. This will be easy. Prepare to be amazed. You can applaud now. Is that a square? Oh, that's horrible. Ignore the haters, ma'am. I've got it. What do you mean it's not a circle? I followed your instructions. No, it's like this. But that's what I did, see? You didn't. You drew a perfect circle. I know. I'm the best. What just happened? Okay, that was funny. She drew the circle, okay? No problem. Oh, come on. Is anyone else seeing this? A+, Claire. Keep up the good work. Not so fast. We can't mess up ma'am's outfit. Thank you, Butler. That went better than I thought. Thanks to you. You can go now. I better get practicing. Let's try that again. Ugh, so close. This is harder than it looks. What am I gonna do? It's just too difficult. I'll just play with these instead. This is much more fun. It's so hypnotic. Wait a minute. I can use this to draw a circle. Whoa, that was so cool! Miss! Miss! Miles, don't interrupt me when I'm counting my money. Okay, who's next? Miles! Yes! It's my time to shine! Okay, paperclip, don't let me down. I'll hold the paperclip with my finger, then use the pen to spin it. Look at that! Very impressive, Miles. It's so small. Hold on. You can sit down, Miles. This is the greatest! Miles? Put the pen down. He's circle crazy! Can't stop. I've got too many circles to draw. Circles! 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 It's finally happened. He's went crazy. No. No. Don't do it. Aw, what would I do without you, Butler? Miles! Stop! Snap out of it! Look what you've done! Wow, I've never seen anything like this. Can someone help me? Please? It doesn't matter if you're rich or poor, school is tough. What's your best hack to help you get through the school day? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this one.